With this alluring vanilla-scented massage oil with vitamin E, a little goes a long way for a unique experience you won't soon forget. There are many products available to choose from in body oils, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, Supergoop Glow Oil SPF 50. This non-greasy, lightweight, and moisturizing body oil with SPF 50 leaves skin looking radiant. Several antioxidant-rich components, including marigold, meadowfoam, and grape seed extracts, are found in this oxybenzone and octinoxate-free body and face oil to nourish and protect the skin. Supergoop Sunscreen oil is quickly absorbed, offers high sun protection, and reduces UV damage symptoms. This light oil will give your skin a radiant shine. It makes an excellent vitamin E oil for the face, body, or any region exposed to the sun and is water resistant for 80 minutes. Spritz and wash your body every morning to moisturize and enhance the natural radiance of your skin. Use after showering for ultra moisturizing effects. Number 2, Vanilla Sensual Massage Oil for Couples. With this alluring vanilla-scented massage oil with vitamin E, a little goes a long way for a unique experience you won't soon forget. After a hot shower or to express your intense yearning and gratitude, give someone a soothing massage using our warm and welcoming massage oil with a delicious vanilla scent. Instead of looking for the same old, uninspired Valentine's Day presents for men and women, choose a tried and true expression of your love that you can share or even enjoy alone. Make unforgettable memories by spoiling each other with an at-home spa experience while using our tempting massage oil for men and women. Number 3, Neutrogena Body Oil Light Sesame Formula. Neutrogena Body Oil, the sensual moisturizer, comes in a 16-ounce container and has a light sesame oil blend that applies smoothly and leaves skin feeling nourished. Lightweight body oil pampers dry skin by acting as a sheer moisturizer that immediately absorbs into the skin, instantly disappears, and locks in moisture without leaving a greasy feeling. The gentle sesame oil composition gives skin a beautiful, healthy-looking glow and a soft, comforting smell. This skin moisturizing Neutrogena body oil hydrates skin instantly and gives it the pure nutrients it needs to keep moisture in check without leaving a greasy residue. Apply a few drops of oil to the body and massage it in while the skin is still moist if using it as a skin oil after a shower or bath. To soothe and nourish your skin as you bathe, add body oil to the bath water. Number 4, Advanced Clinicals Collagen Lifting Body Oil. Collagen Lifting Body Oil from Advanced Clinicals can help your skin appear lifted and young. Your vitamin E oil uses natural ingredients to tighten and moisturize sluggish skin. Treat stretch marks, wrinkles, and cellulite. Your oil helps tighten and tone your upper arms, thighs, neck, and other areas by containing collagen, an important skin protein. Your vitamin E and collagen oils seal in moisture right away. You'll find your skin is softer and smoother after a week. It is said to restore suppleness, stiffness, and even tone in just 28 days. Enhance your skin while feeling calm. Your scar oil is loaded with skin-benefiting vitamins and minerals, dermatologist and allergy tested, and free of parabens, mineral oil, and BHT. You can get high-end, cruelty-free skincare. At Advanced Clinicals, we have rigorous standards and use cutting-edge testing to guarantee your satisfaction and the quality of your oil. Number 5, Olivia Care Body Oil Apricot Fig Vegan and Natural. 100% natural ingredients were used to create the Olivia Care Body Oil. All skin types, especially those with acne, oily skin, and sensitive skin, can use it. Your skin will be hydrated and moisturized by this body oil, and it will be kept from drying out throughout your regular beauty routine. It offers the moisture your skin needs to be healthy. Omega fatty acids, vitamin K, and vitamin E are all abundant in the oil. Vitamin E moisturizes and hydrates the skin while reducing UV damage and having anti-aging effects. Stretch marks can be reduced with vitamin K oil. Omega fatty acids, on the other hand, are advantageous against sun damage. This oil has a wonderful fig and apricot flavor combination. Apricot aids in preserving the skin's radiance, smoothness, and suppleness. The fig, on the other hand, is beneficial for psoriasis and eczema. Together with these wonderful advantages, it also has a lovely fruity scent. Animal testing has never been done on the product. It is non-GMO and devoid of hazardous ingredients like alcohol, parabens, and phthalates. It is entirely manufactured, triple milled, and assembled in the United States. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.